Hello everyone. Question is, in a single record, a user selects multiple values from a multi-select pick list. How are the selected values represented in Apex? Option A, a list as a list within bracket string with each value as an element in the list. Option B, as a string with each value separated by a comma. Option C, as a string with each value separated by a semicolon. Option D, as a set within bracket string with each value as an element in the set. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what is the benefit of using an after insert trigger over using a before insert trigger? Option A, an after insert trigger allows a developer to bypass validation rules when updating fields on the new record. Option B, an after insert trigger allows a developer to insert other objects that reference the new record. Option C, an after insert trigger allows a developer to make a callout to an external service. Option D, an after insert trigger allows a developer to modify fields in the new record without a query. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a developer is asked to set a pick list field to monitor on any new leads owned by a subnet of users. How should the developer implement this request? Option A, create an after insert lead trigger. Option B, create a before insert lead trigger. Option C, create a lead workflow rule field update. Option D, create a lead formula field. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a developer wants to override a button using Visualforce on an object. What is the requirement? Option A, the controller or extension must have a page reference method. Option B, the standard controller attribute must be set to the object. Option C, the action attribute must be set to a controller method. Option D, the object record must be instantiated in a controller or extension. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, how can a developer set up a debug log on a specific user? Option A, it is not possible to set up debug logs for users other than yourself. Option B, ask the user for access to their account credentials, log in as the user and debug the issue. Option C, create Apex code that logs code actions into a custom object. Option D, set up a trace flag for the user and define a logging label and time period for the trace. Correct answer is option D. Question is, when an account's custom pick list field called customer sentiment is changed to a value of confused, a new related case should automatically be created. Which two methods should a developer use to create this case? Option A, process builder. Option B, Apex trigger. Option C, custom button. Option D, workflow rule. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, what are two uses for external IDs? Option A, to create relationships between records imported from an external system. Option B, to create a record in a development environment with the same Salesforce ID as in another environment. Option C, to identify the S object type in Salesforce. Option D, to prevent an import from creating duplicate records using upsert. Correct answer is option A and option D. Question is, for which three items can a trace flag be configured? Option A Apex Trigger. Option B Apex Class. Option C Process Builder. Option D User. Option E Visual Force. Correct answer is option A, B, and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.